Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Single welcoming you to my channel. Here I am back with a new video in the J.A.R.V.I.S playlist. In this video we are gonna code our second function of the J.A.R.V.I.S, which will be the say function. It will speak out everything we give it to say. So let's start with the code. Before that, if you haven't accessed our playlist on the J.A.R.V.I.S programming, so check it now. It will provide you the whole series in which we are making J.A.R.V.I.S. So let me show you the series. So as you can see guys, here is our playlist, the J.A.R.V.I.S playlist. I have uploaded one more video on this before this video, and guys, save this playlist anywhere. It will help you only. And let's start with the code. I will provide you the link in description. So let's start with the code. Here I am in my Visual Studio Code. Let me code it. So we are going to make a new function here. Before that, we have to increase the font and then import the PyTTSX3 which we have installed in our previous video. Now remove this, we don't need this, and then define other function def say, let it be say, which will take an argument. Let it be str, the string it has to say, then let it be pass now for now, and then go to up here. Now let me make a variable engine equals to pyttsx3 dot init, and in double quotes or single quotes SAPI5, which is a user interface developed by Microsoft to get the output of voices. Now we have to check how many voices we have in our computer. For that, voices is equals to engine dot get property, and in single quotes voices, and then print voices so that we can know how many voices we have in our computer. Generally people have two. Here print voices, and then run the code here. Wait a second guys. Yeah, as you can see, I have 4 voices in my computer. As I have installed additional voices too, you will have only 2 voices, one American male and second American female. So for getting the names of these voices, we have to print the ID of voices here from square brackets, and 0 to 3, as I have 4 voices and index starts from 0 in Python dot ID, and then run the code. It will give us name for the first one voice. Here you can see first is US David, which will speak English in US, American English. So this is the American male. Then the first voice, the second voice actually, index 1 here. Second is Ravi, the Indian male, which will speak English of India. Then third voice, the last voice, on the last second. Here the Hira, the Indian female, which will speak English Indian, and then the last voice is third indexed. It is Zira, which will speak American English and is American female. So guys, I'll use the Hira voice here. You can use any voice. So here remove this print statement, and then engine dot set property, and in single quotes voices and comma voices dot not dot, square brackets 2 as Hira as index 2, and then dot ID. It will set the voice Hira for our J.A.R.V.I.S. Now So we have to code our J.A.R.V.I.S say function now. Wait a second. Now guys, come back to our say function, remove this and then type here, wait a second, here, yeah, engine dot say, and then the argument you have given, that is str in my case. Now engine dot run and wait, and then parenthesis. Now this will give the output. Our function is complete. This function will give the output by speaking it. Let's check the function. So say hello there, how are you? Let's check it.
Hello there, how are you?
As you can hear, this was the sound. Wait a second, I heard a male sound. Isn't it of Zira? Let me check it again.
Hello there, how are you?
It is of Hira. So guys, we have misspelled a word here. It is not voices, it's voice. Let's check again.
Hello there, how are you?
As you can hear, it was a voice of Indian female. So this was the say function, which takes argument as a string and speaks it. In next video, we will coding our more functions of the J.A.R.V.I.S. Thank you for now. This is enough for today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and comment down. Thank you.